making paper snowflakes by cutting a piece of paper. So we're going to be like folding a piece of paper, and then we're going to be cutting it. And then when you unfold it, it's going to be like a snowflake.
Right, and most people probably tried this, but some people don't know exactly how to get started. So that's all we're doing here today is we're really just showing you how to get started. Landon's going to do more of a basic design. Maddie's going to do like an intermediate level, and then I'm going to do like a little bit more of a complicated one just because it has more folds and it's a little bit smaller. So we're going to be using a square piece of paper for Landon.
Yep.
And we've already pre-cut the papers. Maddie's going to be using a square, but it's a little bit of a smaller square, and I'm going to use a circle, which we just traced something circular that we found in the room, and it worked out perfectly.
And if you don't know what a snowflake would look like, this is a little thing that it would look like, but it would be bigger.
Just a quick example. Well, you can make them any size, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Like,
actually, you could make it any size.
Easier for little kids to make bigger ones because the dexterity of their fingers when they're cutting and things,
or like
it's easier to be bigger. But as you get more advanced or feel more comfortable, you can just make them harder, and you can try over and over again. There are templates out there online that can come up with some really crazy cool snowflakes that come out really awesome, but sometimes it's fun just to do them by yourself and see what you can come up with. So that's what we're doing here today, okay?
Yeah, and you can do any shapes that you want on your snowflake too.
Yeah, just random shapes, cut them out. We'll explain as we go. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, break. Okay, so today we are making snowflakes. So we have 3 different levels. Landon's gonna do the biggest one with the least amount of folds. Maddie's gonna do the quote-unquote medium one where she has at least a fold or 2 more. And I'm gonna do a circle one with a bunch of folds. And we're gonna show you some different ways to make snowflakes. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, the first thing we do, guys, is fold it in half. You guys already have a fold line, so just fold it in half again. We just pre-cut these out, some squares and a circle. All I did was I took a...
No, don't. Oh, no.
All I did was I took something circular that we found in the room, and we traced it, cut it out. All right, the second thing that you want to do is you want to fold it in half again the other way.
Like this?
And everyone's going to do this.
Like that?
Yep.
Dad has to do 4, Maddie has to do 3, and I only have to do 2. Well, yeah. You can do whatever you want at home.
You can do whatever you want at home, whatever difficulty level you want to do. Okay, so fold that down across there. All right, now you're not going to fold anymore. You're going to do a 2-fold example, and we'll cut in a minute. Okay. Maddie and I are going to fold in half one more time.
Oh wait, Dad has to do the fold.
Yeah, I'm going to fold another time out with this, but so there's 3 folds.
It's a triangle.
And Maddie's got her 3rd fold. You're not going to fold anymore, okay, sweetie?
No. Okay.
I'm going to fold one last time.
Wait, I can't, because all my folds connect here, so I can't cut that corner.
We'll talk about that in 1 sec, okay, bud? So now everybody has their thing folded up. I want you to hold it by where it comes together in the middle.
Like
hold the point where it comes together. So Maddie, you would hold this point, because they all come together at this point, right?
Oh yeah, true.
You'd hold that point. Landon, you would hold this point, because they all come together right there, okay? So what you're going to do from here is, if you want to, you can use a pencil, and you can trace, or not trace, but you can make a design that you think you might want to cut out.
Or you could just cut random.
Or, like Landon's saying, you could just do random cuts with your scissors without really planning it out too much at all. I would say that Landon's going to try that method. And then Maddie and I are going to do a little bit of drawing. Okay? All right. So mine's kind of smallish, so I'm going to have to make small little cuts. And what I want to do is just make things random.
That's really cool.
Squares, triangles.
Wait, do a trapezoid. I'll do a trapezoid.
And you want to take little bits and pieces out from every side, okay?
Should I start cutting?
Not yet. We're all going to cut together. The thing you have to do, though, is you have to make sure you do not cut this part off. your whole thing will fall apart.
Wait, so I have to remember not to cut
You
it.
have to remember that, yeah.
So I'm going to keep my paper like this so I don't forget. This is where it all comes together.
So Landon is going to do random shapes on this side, and this side, but making sure to not cut this part off.
I can cut the other 2 corners.
Nice, Maddie. That's going to be a nice one. It's going to be challenging to cut. So make some shapes on this side and this side too, okay?
They're not too challenging.
And
like
you can bring it in to the middle as well.
Wait, she can't?
Yeah.
Yeah, but this
What I mean is
also be in the middle.
What I mean is she can come in like with a big triangle if she wants to, or something.
2 big triangles.
Oh, I know what it is.
Imagine she just does all big triangles.
Now we're gonna make our way through cutting our shapes out. Landon, you're gonna do random shapes on each side. Okay?
Okay. I think I'm gonna cut the corners off.
Yep, just don't cut that one off, okay?
Or then the whole thing will break.
The whole thing will fall apart if you do that.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Boom.
That's okay, little pieces will go flying. That's all part of it, okay? Remember to, at home, the more times you fold your paper, the harder it is to cut because you're cutting through so many layers. So doing something like I'm doing is a little bit more for older kids or for adults. When you first start trying to make snowflakes, make them like Landon, and then as you get a little better, try to make them like the way that Maddie's doing it. And then when you get real good at it, try to do it the way I'm doing it. I'm not saying that I'm real good at it. I'm just saying, like, once you've practiced a bit, I definitely have some work I could do. We all could get better, right?
Yeah.
All right, put yours up here all folded up. Okay, so this is what they look like. Finished, but still folded. We're gonna do, you guys wanna do the reveal from the front?
Yeah.
We hold them up? Okay, good job, team. Good work, kids. So here we are, we're ready for the big reveal. This is what they look like, still folded. But here we go, everybody start unfolding. 1, 2, 3, unfold. It's gonna take a little minute here, and you wanna do it carefully so you don't rip.
Yeah, you do not want to rip
You
it.
can kind of see what it's starting to take shape.
Oh,
Starting to
that
unfold.
looks really good.
Starting to unfold. And you have these
Dad's
beautiful,
is really good.
these beautiful snowflakes. All made just by cutting random shapes
And
into the paper.
Look. I didn't even know this, but I cut triangle. I cut a triangle thing, and
You did a
then it
great
goes
job.
into the middle.
You did a great job. So did you guys have fun?
Yes.
What should they do if they liked the video?
Subscribe and like for more videos.
We could do that. What could they do with that hammer, Maddie?
Hammer it!
Hammer that like button, subscribe and hit the bell. Make all the snowflakes you want. We're coming up on the holiday season. Winter's almost here. Get snowflakes. Give me that other snowflake that Maddie made. Let's show the camera that one too. Maddie made this one the other day.
Let's hold up every single. Let's put every single snowflake.
And we could just let them
Get
fall.
the example. Get
Ready? On 3, we'll let them
1,
fall.
2,
2, 3.
3.
Snowing! All right.
Yours is so cool.
What else did we forget to say? That was it, right?
Goodbye.
Bye.
Oh yeah. Till next time. Bye.